Hello, everyone. How are you all? Hope you're all okay. Enjoy this Laker flag I got. I got it in 2001, actually. I got it when we were visiting LA all the way back in 2001. They just won the championship with Kobe and Shaq, you know, that team. And Kobe is always my favorite player. He's been my favorite player since forever. And yeah, this flag was, you know, you put it on your car. It was just laying in the street, so I just picked it up off the street, and I still have it. So there you go. Ballard Power versus Plug Power. Let's see, which is the better one? I'll save you the suspense. I like Ballard better if I was to invest in either one. Actually, which I do have shares in Ballard, so not an if. I don't know why I said if, but let's see. The float of Ballard is 251 million. The float of Plug is 532 million. So a higher float for Plug. The market cap for Plug is 5 billion. The market cap for Ballard is 1 billion. So smaller market cap. So that's nice. Let me read you this news that came out. It came out a month ago, but it's very relevant if you haven't heard it. And Ballard Power today announced the company's proton exchange membrane fuel cells have now powered fuel cell electric vehicles, or FCEVs, in commercial, heavy, and medium-duty motive vehicles for an industry-leading total of more than 150 million kilometers. That is roughly equivalent to circling the Earth over 3,700 times. To reach this milestone, Ballard fuel cells powered over 3,800 buses and trucks, providing zero-emission mobility solutions in approximately 15 countries around the world. Mr. Randy McEwen, president and CEO at Ballard, said, "We are designing our PEM fuel cell engines for heavy-duty mobility applications where zero emissions, reliability, and durability are key differentiators for end-user total cost of ownership. We continue to set the industry benchmark for PEM fuel cell performance in our target markets. The accumulated distance driven by FCEVs powered by our technology underlines Ballard Power's custom focus and commitment to reliable service and high uptime. We achieved this milestone at a time when we are seeing growing customer interest in the adoption of hydrogen fuel cells in our key mobility verticals of bus, truck, rail, marine, as well as off-highway and stationary power applications. Our learnings from real-world experience will continue to help us optimize our products from a total cost of ownership perspective and deliver products to meet zero emissions targets without disrupting existing operating practices, including range, payload, and refueling time." So that's big. That news that came out last month was very big. Ballard has a long-standing, it's a, business. It's been in business since 1979. It operates all over the world. I'm sure there's good news with Plug too. I always hear about their partnerships with, Amazon or Walmart or, these big time partnerships. But, there's good news both ways. But I think that news was really big because it doesn't look like any other hydrogen fuel cell company can match that. And like I said, with the float and the market cap being lower than Plug, they both have about the same amount of cash and no debt. So they have a ton of cash, both companies. I like Ballard better. So let me know what you all think. And have a beautiful, blessed night. Go Lakers.